In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Peacock TV promo code. So let's get started. So Peacock TV is an online streaming software where you can watch different stuff, and it's a paid subscription. So let's say you're trying to get a discount. So you'll have to go to your web browser and search a Peacock TV promo code. So once that is done, you're gonna click on the first website, Los Angeles Times. Okay, so once you're here, the first one says a 50% off premium, so you get a 50% discount. You can click view coupon. So today 50 is the coupon, you get a 50% discount. You can copy it and head to the website for purchasing the subscription and use this at checkout. Well, there are many other codes. So the first one says this one says 60% off for first 3 months. You click view coupon code, and this is the coupon code for getting 60% off for your first 3 months subscription on this website Peacock. And then you can also go and explore many other offers and coupon codes. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Okay, so now I'm gonna head over to this website, select deals. Okay, so use code 1 year to get. I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, so if you use this code, you're gonna get the Peacock Premium TV subscription for $19, which is a discount. But then there are many other codes as well. Take 50% off with code today on 6 months of Peacock TV. So this is the code for that today. So you're gonna get a 50% off with this code today for 6 months on this platform. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.